Hey guys, welcome back. This is Thelefevrefever, and today we are here for another layout update video, this one being number 15. And so before we get onto that, I do want to do a little bit of a channel update here. First of all, as you can see in front of you here, there are two tripods. I will be retiring the silver one in favor of this newer black one that I got. It is more adjustable, it has better features, it can do smoother actions and stuff, so I can get more panning shots that look a little bit more stable and less herky-jerky, as well as it can raise up higher so I can get easier shots over the layout, and it'll make live streaming a lot easier for that sense, because I try to get a lot of the layout just in one shot for live streams like that. And so the silver one will just be retired to the underside of the table. As well as the new tripod, I will also be planning on moving to more longer form videos for the foreseeable future, because the past, 3 weeks-ish kind of, it's just been a short every Friday or so like that. And so I've tried to move away from that, because during that period I didn't have a lot of content filmed and ready, so I couldn't do that much, so I can only post a few shorts. I think I posted 4 in total, and so that's all I could really post in that time, since I didn't have time to shoot anything longer like that, and I didn't have stuff to shoot anything longer like that. So now I should be moving back into the longer form content here, and I know you guys always enjoy that more, so that's what I'm trying to strive for, because I'm not trying to just throw out low quality content over and over again. I'm trying to get you the best that what I can do with my resources. Alright, now moving on to the layout update section of this video here. As per usual, the layout has gained a few new vehicles, as you can see, like the Batmobile here, as well as the John Deere tractor with its some sort of apparatus or trailer pulled behind it. I do not honestly know what it is. I'll put a little text up saying what it is after I research it later. But some other things added are this little die-cast kind of tank thing here. I just have it here kind of for fun, and also just to fill up some space, as well as a new snowplow. And so there's quite a few angles of that on the layout, kind of by that little snowy tree that's in the middle of the greenness of the layout. But I just added that there so it fits in with the other snowplow that I have. And across the way there's a new Mercedes-Benz truck. That's just kind of a farming truck, but it's a little bit European, so it doesn't fit with the rest of the theme. But considering that one of the depots I have on my layout is predominantly like German architect base, I think that doesn't matter terribly much. And so a few more vehicles have been added, as well as the NASA RV here, and behind that there's a little Pepsi truck, and this one is the closest to being actually in size with the rest of the vehicles, because most of the other ones are 1/64th, but this one's a little bit smaller than that. And as in the background of quite a few shots here, you've seen these two little gray tiles, and so this is just a little bit of quote-unquote pavement that I've added, and so it kind of fills out the main little square area of town. Obviously there's not really that many buildings there, so I've just placed a few things there, like the missile and the concrete tubes and the intermodal containers. And so this part will be ever changing, so some of these photos won't look the same as others in the shot, but this is just to fill up space, as well as kind of provide a more built up look. And of course, as with most things on my layout, none of these things are terribly permanent, so they might move around and other things, as you might see in the photos here, or they might just disappear for a while, because that's what I've done with some of my vehicles. And here we are at the end of this layout update video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching and making it till the end here. And so the channel is getting close to 300 subscribers, so I'd like to thank you guys very much for that. And I'm also excited to be able to shoot more long form content here, or just even voice record it as I am right now. And so I'd like to thank you guys again for just making it this far, even though it's 5 minutes tops, I think. I obviously don't know how long yet. It'll be funny afterwards if it's like 8 minutes, but I don't think it'll be that much. And so I'd like to thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!